How to recover permanently deleted Gmail account. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your permanently deleted Gmail account quickly and easily. Before we begin, here's something important. You can only recover a permanently deleted Gmail account within a short period of time, usually up to 20 to 30 days after deletion. If it's been too long, recovery may not be possible. So, let's open your browser and simply go to account.google.com. Now simply type in sign in slash recovery. Now all you need to do is simply enter the email address of the deleted account. For example, let's say this is the account that I have deleted. Tap on next. Now all you need to do is simply enter your password. After that, follow the verification steps. You may be asked for your last known password or to verify using your linked phone number or recovery email. If the account is eligible for recovery, you'll get a message saying you can now sign in again and reset your password or account successfully recovered. If Google says the account can't be recovered, it means the data is permanently deleted. In that case, you need to create a new Gmail account. And that's it. That's how you recover a deleted Gmail account, the simple way.